Hi, it's Jakub from Future Solutions, and this is a short demo to show you how mini apps can be used to create portals for employees so that they can engage with the data that's stored in Podio, add it, edit it, but not being full Podio users. So this is an example of the Foreman portal that we've built for our clients, the Wardle plant limited. And this enables the site foreman to provide information in real time about what's happening on their site. So let's just take you through to the menu. So in here, each of those elements is a separate app in Podio in different workspaces that they provide information for. So they can submit inspections for machinery and check sheets. They can provide site diaries. They can make site orders. They can also see if there's any machinery arriving to their site or is scheduled to leave their site. They can provide timesheets, near misses, toolbox docs, spot awards, missed paperwork. So all of these are different functions inside the Podio ecosystem. But this is like a very handy layer over Podio that enables staff to just engage with the data the way they need. So if we take check sheets as an example, they can add a check sheet, but also they will have pending check sheets. So every week, the system provides them with the check sheets for all the equipment that is currently on their site. So what they have to do is just edit. They have to provide information about this particular piece of equipment, which is just a test one. It's classed as an other without engine, so it's a very particular bit of equipment. So the foreman is asked to provide a photo of the plant each week, provide a reason for no check sheet in case the machine left the site but it's not been yet noticed on Podio, and then basically they have a little questionnaire to answer about this particular piece of equipment. This questionnaire is then being assessed by Podio using a special algorithm to say if this check sheet is okay or if there's an engineer that needs to look at it because perhaps there's something wrong with that piece of equipment. So it then raises the ticket for an engineer to look at it. So this is something that this process has helped our client to decrease the time of processing. Previously, all of those inspections were on a piece of paper, put in an envelope, sent to the head office. But right now, they can just provide it in real time and answer all of those questions in here. So that really saved about the processing time, like 75%. So if you can imagine, previously someone had to get the envelope, look at the pieces of paper, go to Podio, key in all this information, and then make a decision if the engineer needs to look at it. Right now, the information comes in. There's a fast lane for Podio to assess if it needs to be looked at or not. And then that really, really reduces the processing time, which is absolutely amazing. Another thing is that for all the sites that are using the Foreman portal right now, the level of inspections reached 100%. Before, maybe 60% of the inspections of all equipment was arriving in the head office. Right now, any site that is using the portal is 100%. So if you imagine, for liability, insurances, etc., it's a really, really transformative metric for the business. You can see that we use color coding and those ticks to say if the site foreman needs to look at something in particular, or they are kind of good to go. So one of the other things which I could show is the site orders. So you can see if there's submitted site orders. They can see if there's been any movement on this. What else is that this is how the app looks on mobile, because obviously we are talking about staff that are working on different, sometimes remote parts of the country and need to provide this information. So this is all mobile friendly, and yeah, makes it very, very easy for the staff members to use. So if you consider, again, the check sheet is a great example, because normally this app in Podio has probably about 40 different fields, maybe 50 different fields. So if you consider adding an employee and the learning curve to understand the app, to have the confidence to use it fully, is quite steep. So by adding a Procfu mini app, we can reduce that learning curve by providing only the information and showing only the fields that an employee needs to do their job. So you can see that all of those fields, some of them are just, you can just see them, you cannot edit them. Some of them you edit, so everything is customizable here in the Procfu mini app, and can be different to the way the information is displayed in Podio. Okay, so this has been a short demo of the Procfu mini app used to enable employees to provide information in real time and feed in information to the Podio platform, but from an outside perspective. I hope this has been useful. Please reach out to us if you think that your business would benefit from a solution like this. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.